This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Toyota 4Runner's AC system. First, gather your AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Next, locate the low-pressure service port, typically on the passenger side of the engine bay. Finally, start your 4Runner's engine and set the air conditioning to its maximum cool setting with the fan on high. Now, firmly attach the quick connect fitting of your recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. Before connecting the refrigerant can to the hose, shake it thoroughly for about 30 seconds. This ensures the refrigerant is well mixed. Double-check that all connections are secure to avoid any leaks during the process. With the can connected, hold it upright and squeeze the trigger in short bursts, typically 5 to 10 seconds each. Between bursts, release the trigger and gently rock the can. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on your kit. It's crucial not to overfill the system. Keep adding refrigerant until the gauge needle rests within the recommended green zone for optimal performance. Once the pressure gauge indicates the correct level, quickly disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port. Be sure to replace the protective cap. Take a moment to check for any signs of leaks around the connection point. If your AC is still not cooling properly, it might indicate a larger leak or a different issue requiring professional attention. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.